guys, welcome to my channel. What we're doing today is a quick red. We call it red in Ghana. It's normally ripe plantain and beans, but this is one I've put a tweak to it. I have baked beans, some onions, pepper, some fish. This is a salted fish. You can get it in any of the shops. We have some cubes, ginger and garlic cubes, and then this is how I cut the plantain, and I want to show you how I do it. It's quite easy to do. So you just cut it into circles. It will depend. You can cut them into circles. You can cut them any shape that you want to. So it will depend on you. But I like it this shape because it cooks quickly. And this is what I normally do. Like most Sundays, it takes about 30 minutes to do it. So it's very, very easy to just. I'll put some oil in the saucepan. It's a very quick one. And then when I'm doing this, I also put oil on for the plantain. So to wait for the oil to be a bit hot, and then we can add the salted fish. It makes it very nice. We have it like the Ghanaian taste. That's why I put a little bit of salted fish into it. So put the salted fish first into the palm oil, and then wait for it to cook a bit before you add the onions. Right. Okay, so next, what we are doing next, I think it's okay. I like to put the onions in. I always like the onion to brown a bit, so we wait for the onion to brown. So as we are waiting for the onion to brown, we check whether the oil is ready. It's not ready, so you have to wait for it to be a little bit hot before we can put the plantain into it. Right, so the onion is really brown, so I can add the pepper. I want it very spicy, so I'm adding 2 Scotch bonnets. And then I'll add the garlic and ginger cubes. Right, with this, I put a little bit of water in it. Okay. And wait for it to cook. Right, so as this is cooking, I can see that my oil is hot, so I'm going to put the plantain in there. So this is just a quick one, and it will take only a few minutes to cook. I normally do this every Sunday because it's very quick to cook. Right, to see that I think the pepper is cooked and it's much spicy, so I'm just adding the baked beans. I'll add 2 baked beans. That'll be enough for me. I'll let this cook for about it's about 5 minutes or even less, and then that's done. So I'm waiting for the fried plantain, the plantain to cook. Yeah, guys, the plantain is really cooked now, so I can take it out of the oil. I think I like the color, so it's much cooked. This is a very quick meal to make in just about 30 minutes, and it's very delicious. I tell you, try it, and you'll be doing it every day. Right, so it looks cooked. It was cooked, thank you. Yeah, guys, so this is the fried plantain and beans we just made. You can add a bit of gari to it. If you know, that's what we do. We add a bit of gari to it, and then if you want to add a bit of avocado, it makes it quite nice. So it's very delicious food and nutritious. So you can try it and send me some comments. So please like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new video.